Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So today we'll be picking a few cards, guys, from this deck, and I'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that will be for your guidance in your career situation and your relationship, Sagittarius. These are for your general energy, Sagittarius, and these cards are for your, this is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, and this card is for your angel guidance, guys. So we'll open the cards as we proceed, Sagittarius. So for your daily energies, the Hermit, 10 of Cups, 7 of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that Sagittarius, you are happy and content with with your situation, guys. So something happy is happening maybe in your relationship. You feel that completeness, fulfillment in your relationship, and you're happy for that, guys. And you have that great compatibility, understanding, and that sense of belonging and attraction, intimacy in this relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be coming out of sickness, maybe some minor illness, and you're healing. So in that way also you feel that completeness. I feel here you are completing that phase of sickness, and you're coming out of it healthy. That is also what I see here. And maybe some of you all are thinking deeply about your situation. You are just enjoying this present moment, how things are going happily in your state. Maybe in your work situation things are going in a very positive way, and you're planning your future, what you need to do, or it may relate to your relationship. So you're planning your future with this person, what you need to do with this person, what is your future plans, where you want to build, and when to get married. So such plans you are having with this person, discussing with them. That is also what I feel here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may even plan your wedding date, or that engagement date, something, guys. So or someone in your close circle, they are getting married, and you are playing an important role in that. You may be the mutual friend, the common friend. You may be the person discussing what you need to do and making arrangements, something of that sort, guys. That is what I see here. So you are helping people with your knowledge and whatever information that you have today, guys. That is what I see here, Sagittarius. What is the card for your oracle guidance? Flexible. So these cards must be read straight, guys. They are not supposed to be read in reverse. So with this card for your work situation or career situation, maybe in whatever situations you are, guys, you have to have that open-mindedness, adaptability in your situation. So in your work, so you have to be open-minded. So whatever comes your way, you have to give up that expectations of what you have regarding your situation, guys. So you may have a particular vision about how things are supposed to unfold. But when things go in a different way, you should be open to that also. So you have to just relax, and you have to invite that possibility that is coming your way. So whatever is coming your way, that will be better than what you have imagined. So you need to have that flexibility. That is what is the oracle's guidance. So when you have that flexibility, you will see magical results in your life, guys, in your career situation. So what is the oracle's guidance for your relationship? Thinker. So with this card, the guidance for your regarding your relationship, guys, you have to be that person of logic. You have to be logical, you have to be analytical today, guys. Think deeply before deciding anything. So we already saw that you are a person who thinks deeply with this card. So it may relate to your relationship, guys. Maybe in this relationship, if you have that common ground, you need something to work on. So you need to understand, you need to weigh the pros and cons, whatever you have in this relationship. So if you share that understanding with that person, if you share that common thing, some maybe some hobbies or some interests, some common interests, that will help you both to build that bond. So when you do not have anything in common, when you don't share that understanding with that person, you don't have to force this relationship on them and force it on you, make it work. So this may not be the time for fantasy. So whatever are the facts, you should be ready to face it, guys. You should think deeply, then decide. So this is a time for calculated action. So that is the oracle's guidance. So you have to just let go if this is not going to work. Force is not going to make this relationship work, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance for your Sagittarius. And what is the angel card? Archangel Uriel. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that the angels are there with us, guys, guiding us. So maybe today, guys, you may have some intuitive guidance. You may see some signs, or you may when you're making some decisions, you may have some intuition, sudden thoughts coming into you out of the blue. So when you have that, you will know what answer you need, what is the answer for your situation, and what is the decision. So some things may point you towards a particular direction, so you need to go for that. When you do that, you will see your situation with clarity, guys. That is the oracle's guidance, the angel oracle's guidance for your Sagittarius. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. Thanks again, guys. Bye.